Welcome to English 1101, first semester composition at College of DuPage, fall semester 2020. I hope this video finds everybody safe and well and getting through this difficult, challenging time we're all going through in the pandemic as best as you can. I'd like to do a short video here just to help you begin to navigate the course as we start out. We will be reading Eric Schlosser's Fast Food Nation, and you'll be working on 4 writing projects over 8 weeks and looking at a thematically focused semester, looking at the industrial, particularly fast food system in the United States. You'll have a chance to read an entire book. You'll have a chance to reflect on your own practices, and towards the end of this term, have a chance to interview somebody else and find out about another food provider. Hopefully you'll find these assignments interesting and challenging, and they will lead you to further growth as an academic writer. We'll be working on a variety of skills that you will need as you begin and continue your college experience. So if you look at the menu on the left, you will see a number of tabs, starting with announcements. Every announcement that I send should also be sent to you via email. Please make sure to check your College of DuPage email regularly. If you click on the syllabus, you will see all the information that you need about the course and the assignments, and information on the course objectives, the description of the course. These are all things that you may need when you transfer to another college. And so take some time to read through this. It describes the assignments that you will be doing, describes grading, and there are a number of other important policies that you need to know about as a College of DuPage student. You'll have information on me in the tab that says Professor Edelman, and this video will be posted in the course walkthrough. This is a video specifically for our section in this first 8-week term. This is a very important tab here, Units. When you click on Units, you will be taken to everything that you're going to need to do to complete the assignments in this class. So take a look at some of the overview of why most colleges have some form of college composition at the start of a student's experience. There are some library resources you'll be using, and then you get started in Unit 1. And for every unit, you will see some pretty straightforward, I hope, and detailed directions on how to navigate the course. And each unit has several components. All of these writing projects have a number of parts to them. So you'll see there's an overview. You'll see that there is a summary assignment to do, a discussion board, and you are going to keep track of the food that you eat over the course of a week. So make sure you get started on this inventory. It will be a few days before you actually get to the essay, but the inventory where you keep track of everything that you eat and drink over the course of the week is going to give you the data and the information that you need to write the first essay, where you will be reflecting on your own practices as an eater, looking at what Wendell Berry says is the basic divide between responsible and industrial eating, and thinking about where you fall in that view of the world. So you can take a look ahead. There are 5 units, 4 essays, 4 papers, 4 projects, and everything is already there. So if you'd like to have a sense of what's coming as you continue in the course, you can take a look in advance. You also have an important tab here with due dates that lays everything out very clearly. There are quite a few pieces to this course, and due dates can sometimes come close together, so this allows you to plan your time and make sure that you are leaving time to get this work done. Discussion board, you can see here the first discussion board personal introductions, and we had a little glitch with it. My apologies to those of you who lost your posts, and thank you for reposting them. I did have a couple questions from students. How do I post on here? So what you do is click on there. You'll see that your classmates have already posted. You create a thread. You don't need to put your name in. It will come in as your name, but give it some sort of interesting title. And then you begin to type your response in here, and then you will press submit. So that is pretty straightforward, and you will do the same thing for all of the discussion board forums that we have here. And you will have a chance to, if you click on any classmate's thread, you will see that there is a reply button down in the lower right, and you should be able to easily respond to your classmates. So especially now as you're getting to know each other, take some time to look through that first discussion board forum and read what your classmates have to say. And you'll see that they continue the discussion board forums for each essay. And when you get to the final unit, which is the most complicated unit, has more kind of involved work, as each assignment should build on the previous ones, you'll see that I've posted some sample student work, excuse me, if that helps you understand what that unit is going to ask you for. So I look forward to working with all of you. Make sure to send me an email at edelman2@cod.edu with all your questions. And I wish you a very good beginning of the fall semester 2020 at College of DuPage.